Hello and welcome back to the channel. And today we're tackling a problem every smart homeowner faces, that unreachable dust. We all love robot vacuums, but they always get stuck or simply can't fit under low furniture. Well, say goodbye to dust bunnies under the sofa, because today we have what could be the definitive solution, the Roborock Qrevo CurvX. This robot is making headlines for two reasons: its unprecedented power and its revolutionary size. We're talking about a robot with a whopping 22,000 pascals of suction power that's more than double the industry standard, packed into a body that is only 3.14 inches 8 centimeters thin. Is the Qrevo CurvX just a slim marvel, or is it the future of autonomous cleaning? In this complete review, we'll cover its slim design, test its extreme suction, check its dual anti-tangle system, and see if this truly is the robot that cleans where others can't reach. Round 1. The revolutionary ultra-slim design. 3.14. The first thing you notice about the Roborock Qrevo CurvX is its profile. At just 3.14 inches, 8 centimeters tall, it's significantly thinner than many premium competitors, which often hover around 4 inches, 10 centimeters. Why does this matter? Because of that crucial gap. The one between the floor and your low-profile furniture, the edges of cabinets, sofas, and beds. In a normal home, these are the forgotten dust zones. By trimming nearly an inch of height, Roborock didn't just make the Qrevo CurvX smaller. They gave it access. This robot can effortlessly glide under most kitchen toe kicks, TV stands, and those stylish, low-sitting couches that block every other cleaner. But making it slim brings a design challenge. Where do you put the motor, the dustbin, and all the sensors? Roborock engineered a new internal layout, which is what gives the CurvX its name. An optimized curved design that allows powerful components to lie flat while maintaining stability. This is genuine engineering innovation, not just a cosmetic change. The verdict on the design: it's a game changer for accessibility. If you have a modern, low-profile home, this feature alone makes the Qrevo CurvX a primary candidate. Round 2. Unprecedented power. 22,000 PA suction test. The second headline feature is the insane suction power, 22,000 PA for context. Most high-end robot vacuums today offer between 6,000 PA and 10,000 PA. Roborock has essentially doubled the top-tier suction performance. But is 22,000 PA overkill? Not when you consider deep cleaning. Our suction benchmarks. We ran the Qrevo CurvX through our rigorous lab tests. Fine dust test, hardwood floor. The Qrevo CurvX performed flawlessly. The powerful motor didn't just pick up dust. It seemingly erased it. There was zero residue left. Pet hair test, high pile carpet. This is where it shines. The sheer suction power pulls hair and deep-seated dander from deep within the carpet fibers, an area where low-powered robots simply skim the surface. The 22,000 PA ensures a deep clean that rivals some full-sized upright vacuums. Heavy debris, rice and cereal. Even when faced with heavy spills, the robot managed to clear the area in a single pass without scattering the debris, a common flaw in less powerful models. This extreme suction power directly translates into less frequent, more effective cleaning sessions. For homes with pets, thick carpets, or active families, this performance is a massive upgrade. The verdict on power: the 22,000 PA is not a gimmick. It sets a new performance benchmark for robot vacuums, making it exceptionally effective on carpets and for deep-seated dirt. Round 3. Dual Anti-Tangle System and Mopping. Roborock didn't stop at size and power. They also tackled the two most frustrating issues in robot vacuum ownership: hair entanglement and effective mopping. The dual anti-tangle system: if you have long hair or pets, you know the struggle of constantly cutting hair out of the roller brush. The Qrevo CurvX introduces a dual anti-tangle system. Main roller. It features a specialized all-rubber, finned brush roll, which naturally resists tangles better than traditional bristle brushes. Integrated tangle cutter. The truly innovative part is a hidden mechanism, possibly involving a small internal cutter or counter-rotating element, that works to actively break up and manage hair before it gets fully wrapped around the roller. Our tests showed significantly less hair buildup on the main brush compared to standard models, saving you maintenance time. Mopping system. The Qrevo CurvX features a dual spinning mop system. Unlike simple vibrating pads, these two mop heads rotate at high speed and apply downward pressure to scrub the floor. Crucially, the unit offers automatic mop lifting. When the robot detects carpet, the mop heads instantly lift up to avoid wetting the rug, allowing the robot to transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets and back again, cleaning both surfaces in a single run. The verdict on cleaning mechanics. The dual systems address major pain points. The anti-tangle feature is a huge win for pet owners, and the dynamic mop lifting ensures proper cleaning without soaking your carpets. Round 4. Navigation. Features and smart integration. Navigation and mapping. The CurvX uses an advanced LiDAR navigation system combined with an eye-powered object recognition. It maps your home quickly and accurately, creating detailed 3D maps that you can view and edit in the app. Crucially, its object recognition allows it to identify and avoid common household clutter, such as socks, power cables, and pet waste. This level of precision is vital for autonomous cleaning. App control and features. The Roborock app experience is smooth and feature-rich. You can define no-go zones. Tell the robot exactly where not to go. For example, a pile of children's toys. Set no-mop zones. Designate areas where it should vacuum but not mop. Custom routines. Schedule cleaning by room, setting the power level and water flow for each area. Voice control. Seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Home for starting and stopping cleanups via voice commands. The base station. The Qrevo CurvX comes with a fully automated compact base station. This station handles automatic dust emptying. The robot empties its 22,000 pay-fueled dust into a sealed bag. Mop washing. The mop heads are washed with clean water and dried with hot air to prevent mold and odors. Water refilling. It refills the robot's onboard water tank for continued mopping. This level of automation means you only have to interact with the robot once every few weeks to empty the station bag or refill the clean water tank. Conclusion. Is the Roborock Qrevo CurvX worth it? The Roborock Qrevo CurvX isn't just another incremental upgrade. It represents a genuine leap forward in robot vacuum technology. Its 3.14-inch slim design solves the universal problem of unreachable dust, providing true whole-home coverage. Its 22,000 PA suction establishes a new standard for deep cleaning, particularly on carpets. And its dual anti-tangle system finally gives pet owners a break from constant maintenance. Who is this robot for? The low-profile homeowner. If you have modern low furniture that defeats every other robot, the Qrevo CurvX is a must-buy. The pet owner. The combination of extreme suction and the anti-tangle system is perfect for battling hair and dander. The tech enthusiast. Anyone who demands the absolute latest in performance and convenience will appreciate the 22,000 PA and fully automated base station. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is expensive, placing it firmly in the premium category. But its specialized features, the ultra-slim body and the unmatched suction, make it an investment that delivers results where competitors fail. This truly is the robot that cleans where others can't reach. What do you think of this record-breaking slim design and 22,000 PA suction? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest smart home tech. Musica final Cress Ian Sarah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.